All right, everyone, we are going to take a look at Solana here. So Solana starting off on the weekly chart from the high back here in November of 2021 to the low. You can see the price right now is getting stuck at the 786, but the good thing is we're over the 618 at about 70 bucks. We held that as support and we tried to break through the 126 area here. We're currently at 108. So if we are going to retrace here from where we are back down to that support at 70, there is a potential for a 36% drop here on Solana before it continues its journey, either sideways or up. If we zoom in here to the 3-day chart, and we're going to simply reset this and draw a smaller Fibonacci on the chart to give you some tighter prices to watch in between 70 and 126 here, by simply drawing a fib from that little red wick low to the new high, and we could say that the price of Solana over 101 is extremely bullish for a push back up, and then potentially still extremely bullish over the 382 at 98. So keep an eye on those two prices there. You can say, or you could see that from the low here to the high, that 618 retracement does take us down to that $70 range. So it may be in store for a, what was that, 36% drop down to that 618 and the other 618 at 70. So 70 bucks is still on the table here. So if it comes back down to that level, just treat that as getting Solana on a little bit of a discount here one last time at 70 bucks, but because it's probably going to come down here and start going right back up and breaking the high here at that 125, 126 level through that 786. Zooming back out to the weekly chart, I said high at 786, but I meant the 786, but the high is 267. And if we can zoom out here and get some levels to watch once we break out of that top there, you can see that from where we are right now, keeping in mind we may drop 36% before we go back up. But if you hold this 236 where you are now and stay above $100, then there's a chance from where you are right now breaking through that 786 for an 18% move, and then the high is 100 and about 42% here. And then once you break over that 267 level, it looks like our next stop is about $695, and you can see that is a 500% move. So potential 5x here coming up very shortly if we stay bullish. So what I would simply say is the momentum is clearly up right now. It is retracing down just a little bit, but on that micro fib there, you are holding on to that 236. So yeah, just watch the support levels here, and we'll see if this thing can continue pushing up. Looking over at the Heikin-Ashi candles before we end this, you can see they are printing green for a very long time here. And if we switch down to the daily, yeah, it's rolled over to red on the daily, but you can see every time it does that, it really just goes sideways. So there's a very good chance you hold over this $100 area and go sideways for a day or two, just like you have been, and then you go right back up. So that is a possibility. So without making this one too long, just watch those support levels we just pointed out here on Solana, and we'll see if this thing remains bullish. So we will leave it at that. Not financial advice. Good luck, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.